Dreaming of buying or leasing your dream car? Tired of being taken advantage of by car dealerships and salespeople who make the leasing processes seem complicated? Overwhelmed thinking about finding the right bank at the lowest interest rate for your next car loan? You can take a breath and relax. You've come to the right place. Introducing the new Uber way of leasing and purchasing your next car. With our 3-step process, buying or leasing your next car is no hassle anymore. You are just a few steps away from getting your next car delivered to your doorstep. It's as simple as visiting our website, selecting your favorite car, and filling out the quote application digitally. We will find the best interest rates with banks in your area and get you the lowest price in leasing and financing. Once it's approved, the car is delivered to your doorstep from one of our friendly and experienced technicians that will walk you through the features of your new vehicle. That's not all. Tri-State Leasing Center's services do not stop at delivery. With our account feature, customers can view lease terms and documentation, schedule maintenance and service, and track when they may be able to get out of their lease using Tri-State Leasing Center's proprietary software. Visit our website today, www.tristateleasingcenter.com.